Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Nick. I'm a co-head of production here at Hawk Studios. Today, we're going to be doing a Hawk Studios guide to the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K. So, without further ado, let's go look at it. This right here is our Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K Gen 1. It's got a 6K sensor EF mount, but you don't have to worry about that right now. I'm going to show you how it works. Let's put it on a tripod. Oh hey, didn't see you there. So, when you take the Blackmagic out of the equipment room, it's going to look something like this. It has a cage on it, it has something called rails, and a mounting plate for you to put it onto the tripod. So this particular one is the small rig that we have. And the benefit of this one is it has this little lever that you can pull back and the mounting plate goes right in and you twist it. The other ones that I'll show on screen is you have to slide it in and push a little button and then you tighten it. It's in the same spot. So we got the camera on the tripod. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah. So, when you're in this situation, you want to take something called a battery mounting plate and slide it with these holes right here onto the rails conveniently located on the bottom of the camera. After we have the plate on, we're going to want to take something called a V-mount battery and it just slides right in. Now, the last step to getting the battery hooked up is a D-tap wire, and that is located on the bottom left. Now we got power. Why is the screen black? Oh yeah, we forgot to put a lens on it. When you take a lens and put it on, turn off the camera first, because if you don't, you're gonna damage the sensor and our Chief Technology Officer, Peter, is gonna kill you. So, when you're changing a lens, you're going to want to push the button on the right side of the lens cap, twist counterclockwise, pop it off. Take the lens, there should be a red dot on the inside of the lens, and there's a matching one on the sensor. Pop it in, turn it clockwise, you'll hear a click. If you don't hear a click, you did it wrong. Take off the lens cap. And now you're actually ready to roll. Also, don't forget to put an SD card into this camera. It's on the right side of the camera in this hidden little slot. I don't know why they wanted to hide it from us, but they did. We're looking good. We got image, we have storage, we have a battery, we have a lens. All right, I think it's time to get this camera rolling. Quiet on set. Camera rolling.
Sound speeding.
Action.